Welcome to Tax Central. In this video we will learn how to generate e-way bill directly from Tally. So let's begin. Before starting you need to enable few settings in Tally. Press F11 and go to Statutory option, then alter GST and set threshold limit 50,000 for e-way bill generation. For next setting go to Accounting Voucher, press F12. In Statutory option select Yes for export e-way bill details from Invoice after saving. Now we will create invoice as usually we create. We will select party and add supplementary details, like we are dispatching through road, dispatch document number and date. You can enter other details as applicable to you. Next we will select item, quantity and rate. And then apply GST. Now select Yes on Provide e-way bill details. In this section you need to provide details for e-way bill generation. Most of the field will be pre-filled. In transporter details provide approximate distance, choose transporter, and enter vehicle number, then save voucher by clicking enter. Now export JSON file option will appear. Here you can specify your own path for exporting file. Press enter and our file will be exported in JSON format. We need to upload this file on portal. To upload file, we will open e-way bill portal and login. After login click on e-way bill and then generate bulk. Here press choose file and select the file we have exported from Tally. Then click upload and generate file. That's it, our e-way bill generated without re-entering any data on portal. Now we just have to print this e-way bill. To print just copy this number, then go to dashboard by clicking home button. In sub-menu there is option for print e-way bill. Click on that, then paste e-way bill number, click go. You can print e-way bill in this format. Or you can select detailed format. That's how simple it is to generate e-way bill from Tally. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Leave comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching.